Varanasi, the city which could well be referred to as the soul of India, is one of the oldest continually inhabited cities in the world. Founded by Lord Shiva himself, one of the most powerful deities in Hinduism, along with his consort goddess Parvati, he was the earliest settler of this land. The city has evolved on the foundation of knowledge, faith, and spirituality. Varanasi has been mentioned in several ancient Indian scriptures dating back to Vedic times and has long been an important center for learning. Foreign travelers like Xuanzang have mentioned Varanasi as an established center for learning in their journals. Throughout history, Varanasi has attracted spiritual seekers, scholars, poets, pilgrims in quest of salvation, classical musicians, and ascetics, each contributing to its spiritual and intellectual landscape. In addition, significant political events have played a major role in shaping up Varanasi. The city has witnessed the rise and fall of many dynasties and has endured the aggression of foreign invaders from time to time. Behind the noise, congestion, and bustle of modern day Varanasi, countless stories of its ancient heritage continue to unfold, making it a very special place in the history and civilization of India. Varanasi is located on the banks of the sacred Ganges River. Better known as the Ganga, it is revered as the river of life, a purifier of sins, and a path to spiritual liberation. Every wave of Ganga carries centuries of prayers, hopes, and beliefs, making the river a timeless witness to city's rich history. The city comes alive long before the sun comes up the horizon. Visitors, pilgrims, and locals all go about their day, each pursuing their own purpose in the city. As the sun rises, casting a serene glow over the water, the atmosphere becomes magical, that feels both timeless and divine. Sunrise is a special time in Varanasi. The well-known ghats of Varanasi, or the steps leading down to the river, were built to facilitate access to the river. These ghats serve as places for bathing and performing religious rituals. The air is filled with sacred chanting of mantras, the scent of flowers and incense. The sights of ascetics immersed in their practices, hawkers selling their products, and pilgrims taking a holy dip in the river with unwavering faith weave together an unmatched experience. The ghats are always vibrant with a whole lot of activities, prayers, rituals, meditation, and daily life, offering a unique atmosphere that captures the true essence of Varanasi. All the ghats are connected in a straight line, and one could easily spend an entire day walking along the river, soaking in the dynamic atmosphere that makes Varanasi so special. The Shashwamedh Ghat, one of the oldest and holiest, is also among the busiest, with a constant flow of pilgrims and visitors throughout the day. Every evening, a special ceremony, the Ganga Aarti, is performed here. This ritual is an expression of reverence and gratitude to the sacred river. It's a powerful display of lights, prayers, and devotion. You can also watch the ceremony from a boat. A boat ride along the bank offers uninterrupted views of the city, the ghats with their ancient temples, and also activities unfolding along the river's edge. From the boat, the grandeur of Varanasi's centuries-old architecture is revealed. Palaces, forts, and pilgrimage sites built by different rulers over the ages. Some bear a distinct style, while others display fusion, depending upon what time of history they were built. It is fascinating to witness such a long stretch of diverse and ancient architecture along the bank of a sacred river, silently telling the story of this city's complex and layered history. Varanasi is a city of temples, with the Kashi Vishwanath temple being one of the holiest sites for Hindus. A must visit for devotees, it is always crowded with pilgrims, and long queues are a common sight throughout the day. Other significant temples such as Kal Bhairav, Durga Temple, and Sankat Mochan are also essential visits, each holding deep spiritual importance. These temples have endured centuries of historic turmoil, but remain a powerful source of faith and strength for countless devotees. Photography is strictly prohibited in these temples. Beyond these important pilgrimage sites, every lane and alley in Varanasi is dotted with shrines and temples. Wandering through the narrow streets, you will find countless temples, each with its own significance, adding to the spiritual cityscape that defines Varanasi. In Indian philosophies, attachments and desires are the root causes of the endless cycles of death and rebirth. By letting go of attachments, one can break free from this cycle and attain liberation. Varanasi is a city designed to aid spiritual progression. For this reason, many Hindus choose to spend their final days in Varanasi so that it will help them let go of attachments and make their path towards liberation easier. One of the most sacred places in Varanasi is Manikarnika Ghat. It is considered the holiest cremation ground of all. It is believed those cremated here attain liberation from cycles of death and rebirth, freeing their soul from earthly bondage. This sacred fire has been burning continuously for centuries, and the flames used to ignite the pyres are taken from it. There are many legends associated with this ghat, and it is charged with intense spiritual energy. The sight of burning pyres and sound of sacred mantras fill the air round the clock. Nearby, few ancient temples further contribute to the ghat's profound spiritual energy. The old city of Varanasi is a maze of narrow lanes, bustling markets, and hidden courtyards, where time seems to slow down. Every step in this old quarter feels like a journey through history, with wooden doors and faded facades telling stories from bygone eras. On both sides of these lanes, you can see old and intricately carved buildings, many of which have stood for generations. Inside this maze of lanes, there are many small shops selling everything one needs in daily life: household goods, groceries, metalware, clothing, and religious offerings. Centuries old traditional businesses passed down through generations, like jewelry and Banarsi saris, continue to thrive in these narrow lanes amidst the exposed via junctions. Although they are an integral part of modern life, the presence of parked motorbikes does disrupt the ancient charm to a certain extent. Without them, it would feel like actually living in a bygone era. In Varanasi, the tea culture thrives, with countless tea stalls dotting its streets, starting business early every morning. The rich, delicious blend of tea, milk, sugar, and aromatic herbs is a ritual, especially cherished in crisp winter air. This comforting brew is the perfect way to begin the day. Varanasi is a paradise for food lovers, offering a mix of flavors that reflect its rich culture. The use of age-old recipes and local ingredients add a distinct charm. Street vendors are the heart of the food scene, serving delicious local specialities. Popular food joints on social media are always crowded with long waiting time. However, hidden in the narrow lanes are many lesser known spots where the food is just as delicious and you can enjoy your meal in a more peaceful setting. Varanasi is a city of vibrant colors where every corner bursts with hues. No patch is ever dull. The street art amplifies this spectrum with murals that add even more vibrancy to the city's already colorful landscape. Varanasi, with its long history, still carries traces of old practices. As you stroll through the streets, you may come across a roadside dentist or barbers, which reflect simple and community-centered approach to daily life. There are beautiful old buildings scattered throughout the city, each standing as a silent witness to its grand past. One historic site more than worth visiting is Ramnagar Fort, located a short distance from Varanasi. Perched on the bank of Ganga, this sandstone structure, built in the 18th century, showcases exquisite architecture. Few sections are open to public, offering a glimpse into its historic charm. The fort is home to a museum displaying vintage cars and other historical treasures. Photography is prohibited in the museum. From the fort, visitors are treated to a spectacular view of Ganga and the bridge spanning its waters. The fort looks absolutely spectacular when viewed from a boat on the river. Shopping in Varanasi is a vibrant experience, offering a blend of traditional and contemporary items. You will find a wide range of trinkets, garments, brassware, and religious items to handmade crafts and wooden artifacts, including world renowned Banarsi silk. The city's dazzling shops also sell jewelry, stone carvings, and beautifully crafted shawls and scarves. Whether you're shopping for yourself or hunting for a perfect gift, Varanasi's markets make every purchase an interesting experience. Fresh markets with fruits and vegetables add a different kind of color and vibrance to the streets of Varanasi. Morning is the best time to wander through the lanes, explore fresh local products, and experience a slice of everyday life. A city like no other, Varanasi, with its timeless traditions, vibrant culture, and profound spiritual energy, leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. From the ghats to the winding lanes, every corner tells a story of life, devotion, and resilience. It offers an experience that lingers long after you have bid it farewell, beckoning you to return and discover even more of its secrets.